So I got this duster cap replacement from a gentleman on RX7 Club. When I took it apart, I didn't realize that it had an actual light in there. So I put an LED in there. So now when well, you won't see that part, but when it's in the door, when you unlock it or when you stick the key in or pull up the door handle, this will actually light up. So what I'm gonna take this off, the handle off, so I can put this all back into place. So it's held in with 2 screws. Once you get the handle off, you'll see that there's a rod that you have to disconnect. So let me get. See if you guys see that striker or that rod. It's right here. Let me go back. Alright, see it's down here, this brown one. You just gotta pull it towards you or flip it towards you. See how it just comes up. That light ain't gonna work. So right here, you just pull it up and the rod slips right out from there. So what I'll do now, grab the light, stick it in here. We'll go over here to the bench. I think I took this off because the wires actually go underneath like this. Let's put this clip in. I should have really painted that, but don't worry about that. So now there's going to be 2 strikers in there. One's to unlock the door, and that's going to be the taller one, because that's going to go to this lock. And then the other one's going to be the actual locking mechanism to unlock the door. So let's feed this through. I don't know how long it stays on. Hey, it's once the door's locked. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Oh, keys in the car.
The sun is so big.